JERRY FCC. Automatic noise limiter, noise blanker, and high cut filter. The automatic noise limiter and noise blanker are activated and deactivated by momentary pressing of the ANL/NB button. Pressing once activates automatic noise limiting. Pressing again activates noise blanker. Pressing a third time activates both simultaneously, and a fourth press deactivates all. The automatic noise limiter continuously monitors the incoming audio signal for constant noise sources, such as engine ignition systems, power lines, and other electronic devices. When detected, the automatic noise limiter applies a dynamic filter that reduces or suppresses the unwanted background interference. Noise blanker works by detecting abrupt changes in the radio signal's amplitude, commonly caused by static or interference. When detected, the noise blanker momentarily mutes or reduces the volume of the radio's audio output. Press and hold the automatic noise limiter/noise blanker button to activate the high cut filter. HIC will appear on the display. The high cut filter removes some of the high frequency noise, often referred to as white noise, making it easier to understand the communication you are receiving. You're all set. Be sure to check out our other instructional videos and don't forget to like and subscribe.